Hello traders, and welcome to another brand new exciting live trading session for the channel. So in today's live trading session, we are going to be placing one live trade with our strategy, and as usual, I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same when you have decided to trade. So if you're here for the first time, do want to give this video a like so this video can reach out to more people like you who are also struggling, who may be interested in content like this. If you do want to continue to see this type of content again in the future, then you should consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sections. So I will already place my trade. I'll take my trade here, and I'm going to explain everything in detail, the reason why I have placed this trade, so that you can also learn and apply the same when you trade. So we'll allow this trade to run. This trade is going to run for the next 5 minutes, and at the end of this trade I am going to explain everything in detail to the best of your understanding. So if you look clearly, you will see that I have already plotted my key levels. You can see that this was a previous support level, and the market has now broken it. It has now rose again, and it now used this support level for another. It now uses it for resistance, and you can see that the market has reversed from this level. So I had this my key levels drawn out. This is a resistance trend, a support trend line on the lower scale, which has now been broken. And those of you who have been following me, you will notice that this is a strategy that I do apply almost all the time, so it works. I want you to pay good attention to the trade, and at the end of this trade I am still going to explain everything. I am going to read the whole price action, the reason why my trade was in favor of the sellers. I am going to explain everything about that after the end of this trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, we have won this trade easily. Now let me explain everything about the setup. I'm going to be quick so that you can get back to whatever you were doing before you saw this video. So you can see that if we zoom out, you will see that this market looks like this was an uptrend, because you can see that these are higher lows. This is a low, this is a higher low, and these are also higher lows. And this was the higher lows were broken strongly by the market, which is a change of trend, because it is a structure that has been broken. Like you all already know, when a structure is broken in the market, it means that the market is now trying to do something different. If price breaks a structure that has been working for some time, it shows that the market wants to go in a different direction. So you see all these higher low swings were broken over here by the market, which is a signal that the buyers, the sellers are now trying to take charge. And you saw the market run all the way down. There was a consolidation here, and then the market picked off again and rose. But why the market was still in favor of the sellers is this. Let me show you. The price refuses to break this previous high, which is a sign that the sellers are still in charge. So the market rose and created another high, but this high is lower than this high, So by price action, we can still say that the price is still, that the market is still in favor of the sellers. And you see over here again, it rose, created this high. This high is lower than the previous high, like I just showed you. And you can see that this was also a very smooth trading opportunity. If I was here, I would have placed my trade on this candle for 5 minutes and I would have won. But I came here, this chance was already gone. This was now a support level that the market has created. The market broke it, and now we use it again as a resistance. This is how the market works. It creates steps by steps. Now it breaks a new level. It uses that level again. It uses that level again to step down. If the market is in a downtrend, it breaks support levels. It uses that support level as a resistance level, like you can see. It breaks the support, it uses it again as resistance, then it comes down again, it breaks another support, it's going to use it again for resistance. That is how the market works. You can see that this was a retracement phase, and when I came, I had to draw my key levels. These are the areas that are more valuable to me in this market. I'll make this white. You can see that this was a support level on the lower scale, and this strategy is simple. I will have to wait for a break of this trend line, and if I have the break, I am going to place my trade. This is similar to what has happened here. If a structure is broken in the market, it is now going to fall down to hit another level, then probably it's going to rise again. So you can see that when this level breaks, the market will not reverse back. It doesn't happen like that. Like, it happens a few percentage of the time. That is sometimes when luck is not going to be on your side. It can still reverse. There is no guarantee that if I place my trade, I will have won. The market can still reverse depending on some factors that may influence the price. But like 80% of the time when this happens, the market is supposed to fall. That's why I always tell you that no strategy is going to work 100% of the time. There are some times that you can do everything correctly and you still end up on the losing side, but those times are of a very few percentage, because I'm not sure this is something that's going to happen all the time. If you know what you are doing, you are going to be on the correct side at least 75 to 80% of the time, and that is even enough to be a profitable trader. So I had the breakout, I took my trade, the market ran, and we have won. You can see that the market has now created a new low, and in the future it is going to also try to retrace back again, and probably it is going to use this level, this previous support. It may use this level again as resistance, or maybe push up a little bit to use this level. It doesn't matter, depending on some factors that may influence the price. So this is everything about the setup. I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same when you want to trade. If you have any questions regarding this trading session or anything about trading in general, do well to drop your questions down below the comment. I am very good at replying comments on my comment section. If you find any value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button so this video can also reach out to more people like you who are struggling, who may be interested in content like this. If you are here for the first time and you like what you saw, do well to also subscribe, join the community, and turn on the bell icon, because you don't want to miss out on any of our important live trading sessions coming up in the future. So that being said, guys, I'm going to end this session here, and I will definitely see you again soon. But then, make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.